Hi guys, my name is Eric Gurentz and this is my intro video. A little about me, I went to Pittsburgh State University. I currently am a 6th grade teacher at Overland Park Elementary. We are a part of the Shawnee Mission School District. Before teaching 6th grade, I was a 4th grade teacher, and before that, I taught 5th grade for 1 year. As far as my strengths for technology go, we use the iPad a lot in the classroom. We use iMovie or Keynote slides sometimes. We do a lot of projects with the iPads. Each kid has their own. And I'd say the kids would say my strength is playing music on YouTube. They're a big fan of that. Sometimes we'll show motivational videos or something funny to keep the afternoons full of energy and fun. And weaknesses, I would say I stick to 4 or 5 apps that I'm comfortable with and haven't really gone beyond that. So just lack of variety would probably be my biggest weakness as far as that. The tools we use, we have iPads for each student, and then each teacher has a MacBook. It makes it really convenient to just airdrop a project, and then the kids can just get started on it instead of printing a bunch of paper out. And then they're a big fan of presenting their project on the big screen, and they think that's pretty cool. Google in the class, I'm fairly comfortable with Google Classroom, and then recently getting comfortable with Google Plus. I think it has a lot of upside. Hopefully I'm more comfortable at the end of this class with all these Google apps. I think it's going to be a fun class, and I'm looking forward to it.